So dumbbell shoulder press. What you want to do with this seat is actually take it 1 or 2 clicks from completely upright, because a lot of people sit straight up and down and they put their elbows right out to the side. This is not an ideal way to shoulder press. The best way is to get a slight incline and have your elbows in front of you. This is really going to get your front delt and your shoulder muscles really well. Push through the roof, and then you really want to control the descent. This is the golden bit where we're loading up the shoulder muscle. You can even play with how deep you can go, like how far can you stretch out your muscle under load. And it's really important to get a pause down the bottom, because when you progress, and if you've been pausing every rep, once you get to your super heavy weights, you'll be able to push that weight from down there. Some people really shy out from the bottom bit. They sort of drop down and cut out the bottom bit. It's very hard to progress because you've essentially done a small range, sink right down, load up the shoulder muscle, control it, and then press out. Also, use your feet to press yourself back into the pad, a lot more stability right through the body.